OpenAI just killed Sora. Not paused it, not updated it, killed it completely. The Sora web app and mobile app officially shut down on April 26, 2026, and after that date, every single video you ever created on the platform gets permanently deleted. Gone forever. They also walked away from what has been reported as a $1 billion partnership deal to make this happen. And the reason they shut it down comes down to one thing. The numbers never worked. Sora was reportedly costing OpenAI somewhere between $8 and $12 million per month to operate while generating a fraction of that in subscription revenue. That is a financial situation no company can sustain indefinitely. But here is what nobody is saying in the coverage of this shutdown. The 5 free tools I am about to show you are not just replacements for Sora. Some of them are genuinely better than what Sora was delivering on the free plan. I tested all 5 of them this week specifically to bring you this video. Everything you are about to see is on screen, live, with real results. Before anything else though, there is one urgent step you need to take right now if you ever used Sora to create content. Subscribe to Padded Vibes and drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from. Then do the urgent step I am about to show you. Now let us get into it. Step 1. Why OpenAI really killed Sora and what it means for creators. Here are the numbers that explain this decision more clearly than any official statement. Sora's user base peaked at around 1 million users and then declined significantly. The platform was reportedly burning through enormous operational costs every single month while subscription revenue never came close to covering those costs. The gap between what it cost to run and what it earned was simply too large to ignore. OpenAI redirected the GPU resources that were supporting Sora toward training their next major model, which as I covered in a previous video is codenamed Spud internally. According to multiple technology outlets, a significant partnership deal was cancelled with very little notice given to the other party, with the GPU capacity from that arrangement also going towards Spud training. What this means for creators is straightforward. Any platform that costs significantly more to run than it earns in revenue is eventually going to either charge dramatically more or shut down. Sora was always going to reach one of those outcomes. The shutdown arrived before the price increase did. The good news is that the tools I am going to show you in this video do not have this problem because several of them are open source or built on sustainable free tier models that have been operating reliably for extended periods. Step 2. Urgent. Export your Sora content before April 26th. This is time sensitive and I want to address it before anything else. If you have videos sitting in your Sora library, you need to download them before April 26, 2026. After that date, OpenAI has stated that all data associated with your Sora usage will be permanently deleted. There is no recovery option after that deadline. Open Sora.com in your browser and log into your account. Click on your library section. You will see all the videos you have previously generated. For each video, click the download button and save it to your computer. Do this for every video in your library that you want to keep. Pause this video right now if you need to. Go to Sora.com, download everything and come back. You have until April 26th and after that the option is gone permanently. Done. Now let us look at the 5 free tools that replace Sora and in several cases genuinely improve on what it offered. Step 3. Free tool number 1. Clingai 3.0. The main everyday replacement. Go to klingai.com and create your free account. Clingai 3.0 is the most complete Sora replacement available right now in April 2026 for one specific reason. The free tier is genuinely generous in a way that Sora's free plan never was. Kling gives free users 66 credits per day, and those credits refresh automatically every 24 hours. That means you have a consistent daily budget for video generation that resets without you doing anything. This is the Kling dashboard after signing in. Clingai 3.0 is best for YouTube intros, faceless channel B-roll footage, product showcase videos, and any content where you need consistent daily generation without hitting a hard limit. Free tool number 2. Google Veo 3.1. The quality champion. Open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Log in with your Google account. Google Veo 3.1 is available through Gemini and gives free users approximately 5 to 10 video generations per day depending on current availability. The reason VO stands apart from everything else on this list is one specific capability: native audio-visual synchronization, clean export. Ready to use directly in a YouTube video or a social media post without any additional processing. VO 3.1 is best for high-quality cinematic clips, product demonstration videos, nature and atmosphere footage, and any content where you need audio to be part of the visual output rather than added separately afterward. Free tool number 3. Pika Labs. The social media specialist. Go to pika.art and create your free account. Pika approaches AI video from a completely different angle than the other tools on this list, and that is exactly what makes it valuable alongside them rather than instead of them. Where Kling and VO focus on photorealistic video generation, Pika focuses on distinctive transformative effects that make content stop people mid-scroll. Their 2026 update introduced what they call Pika effects. These are scene-wide visual transformations that you apply to any image with a single click. Melting, exploding, morphing, shattering, turning to liquid, catching fire. Effects that would require complex visual effects software and professional skill to produce manually, available in one click for free. The specific surreal quality of this output is exactly what performs well on TikTok and Instagram Reels because it looks like nothing else in a standard social media feed. The visual distinctiveness is the feature, not a limitation. Pika is best for TikTok content, YouTube Shorts, viral social media clips, product reveal videos, and any content where standing out visually matters more than photorealism. Free tool number 4. Seedance 2.0. The Cinematic Challenger. On screen now, go to seedance.tv and create your free account. Seedance 2.0 is the tool on this list that has surprised the most creators who have tested it since its release earlier in 2026. Multiple creators who previously used Sora have described Seedance as matching or, in some cinematic scenarios, surpassing what Sora was producing. The free tier gives you access to 1080p generation with no watermark on exports. Seedance supports up to 12 input references per generation. You can provide multiple images, video references, and audio inputs to give the model precise direction over character appearance, camera movement, and scene atmosphere. The output places the consistent character into the specified environment with natural integration. Seedance 2.0 is best for cinematic storytelling content, faceless YouTube channels that need high-quality footage, African folktale and narrative series, and any creator who needs consistent character appearance across multiple clips. Free tool number 5. Hiluo AI. The Human Motion Expert. On screen now, go to hailuoai.com and create your free account. We have covered Hiluo AI in detail in previous videos on this channel, and it remains on this list for one reason that nothing else on this list does as consistently well: realistic human motion. Most AI video tools still struggle when a human character needs to walk, talk, gesture, or interact with an environment in a way that looks physically believable. Hiluo has specialized in solving this specific problem, and the results are consistently stronger than what you get from other free tools on human character movement tasks. For tutorial content, educational videos, or any project where a speaking character needs to look convincing, Hiluo handles this more reliably than the other tools on this list. Hiluo AI is best for tutorial intro segments, educational content featuring characters, any video where human movement or speaking needs to look genuinely realistic, and narrative content requiring believable character performance. Each platform gives you its own daily allocation. Combined, you have more video generation capacity across a single day than Sora ever offered on any paid plan it had during its entire operation. Comment Sora below right now and I will reply with my exact prompt templates for getting the best results from all 5 of these tools for YouTube and social media content. And if you want to see how I use these free AI videos inside a monetized faceless YouTube channel that earns from ad networks, comment faceless below and that is my next video. Hit the like button if this video saved you from losing your Sora content or helped you find better free alternatives. Subscribe to Padded Vibes for more tutorials on free AI tools every week. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from and which of the 5 tools you are going to test first. I read every single comment and I will see you in the next one.